Okay, I want to show you how the courtesy lights work on a GMC Sierra. Okay, here's your dashboard right here. And here's the switch right here. I've already got it turned on. You can turn it off like that. And you will get something on the dash telling you that the cargo lights are disabled. Okay, I'm going to turn it back on. See right here it says cargo lights enabled. Okay, it'll give you something like that. And I got a cab over, but I'm going to show you that the light is on back here. And go back here. Okay, and show you that these bed lights are on inside of my bed right here. So that's how your cargo lights work on your GMC Sierra.